Welcome back to My Twin Kitchen, Living Egg Free. My name is Max.
And my name is James.
So we are making our take on meatballs, keto style. So the ingredients we have are onion, tomato, capsicum, smoked paprika, garlic, salt and pepper for taste, parsley for taste, and our lovely homemade tomato and capsicum sauce. And if you want us to show you how to make the sauce, leave a comment below. And the most important ingredient is our ketogenic sourdough breadcrumbs soaked in milk. Without this, the mix will be very dry, and the reason why we add the breadcrumbs in the milk, it gives it texture, flavour, and it makes it nice and soft, and it's yummy. We want the proteins in the meat to incorporate with the ingredients once it is mixed for a couple of minutes. Then we're going to take it out, scoop it into a baking tray, flame grill it at the same time, and bake for 6 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. Then we're going to pour our lovely sauce over it and bake for another 6 minutes. Then we're going to take it out the oven and serve with lovely Parmesan cheese and crusty bread that James is going to cut up while it's baking, and he's going to toast it. So, let's get cracking. Now that that's done, we're going to put it in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius, and then after that put our sauce on it and then cook it for another 6 minutes. But first of all, we need to flame it, and if it's not flamed, it's not MTK.
Now why do we flame it, boys?
To seal the meat and seal all the juices.
Does it give it flavour as well?
Yes. Now, I'm going to put some garlic and olive oil on our ketogenic, gluten-free sourdough made out of mixes, which you'll see in other videos. Now we'll also toast these for the 6 minutes with the meatballs. Lovely garlicky olive oily goodness. Now that our meatballs are sauced and our bread is nicely charged, Dad is going to put these back in the oven for 6 minutes. So the 6 minutes is up. It's time for the sauce. Now, since I want to do it and give it a little bit of flavour, I'll just quickly blow torch the bread that I've just made. Quickly, gives it a nice char and adds some flavour to it. Now it's out of the oven. The best part, serving and eating. And this is our take on meatballs keto style.